the Super Sport family for Boston Whaler. All that's missing is water. This is a boat that is built for the family, particularly the younger members of the family, but also acts as a great tender for a large portion of our clientele. The boat is the traditional double hull foam-filled concept that Boston Whaler pioneered since 1958, but it also is a very easy boat to take care of. It has some nice options, bench seats, the dash, the windshield that we see here. These are all options that can be had for the boat. You can see here some very innovative dry storage forward, nice helm, navigation lights for operating in the evening, and of course our Mercury power just makes this a phenomenal package for the entire family. Our Super Sport lineup starts with our 13, we have a 16, and they both come also with these beautiful bimini tops that can be deployed for sunshade. And those are a few reasons why the Super Sport lineup is great for you, your friends, and your family.